Hey there, dessert crew! Today we're making a soft and fluffy berry cream roll cake. Let's start with the berry filling. In a saucepan, pour in 150 milliliters, about 2/3 cup of water. Add 150 grams, about 1 cup, of mixed berries and 75 grams, 1/3 cup, plus a teaspoon of sugar. Bring it to a boil over medium heat. Once it's bubbling, cook for a few minutes until the berries start to burst. Mash them gently with a spatula to help release all that bright, tangy juice. When the mixture is syrupy and delicious, set it aside to cool completely. We don't want hot filling melting our cream later. Now for the sponge, crack 3 eggs into a mixing bowl. Add 75 grams, about 1/3 cup plus a teaspoon of sugar. Whip until pale, thick, and tripled in volume. We're looking for cloud-like texture here. Sift in 75 grams, about 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of flour. Fold gently so you keep all that lovely air inside. Line a baking sheet with parchment and spread the batter evenly into a rectangle. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 to 210 degrees Celsius for 7 to 10 minutes. Don't wander too far, sponge rolls bake fast. Quick question while the cake bakes, are you team cream fillings or team jam fillings when it comes to roll cakes? Tell me in the comments, I'm curious where the roll cake loyalties lie. Whip 150 milliliters, about 2/3 cup of cold heavy cream with 10 grams, about 1 tablespoon of sugar until soft peaks form. Once baked, flip the sponge onto a clean sheet of parchment. Carefully peel off the baking paper. No one likes paper in their cake. Spread the cream evenly over the sponge. Now take your cooled berry filling and spoon it in 3 lines across the cream. This will give us that pretty swirl when we roll it up. Roll the cake gently but firmly, keeping it tight without squeezing out the filling. Trim the ends at a 45-degree angle for a clean, professional look. Slice into portions, arrange beautifully on a plate, and serve. Simple, elegant, and seriously delicious. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it with a fellow dessert lover. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more sweet inspiration coming your way. See you next time, and save me a slice of that roll.